How I record my screen in 4K. I got this comment from one of my subscriber and today I'm going to answer that question. If I come here, then there are two software that I use to record my screen in 4K. The one is Streamlabs, the second is OBS Studio. If you go for the Streamlabs, then it is too much hardware consuming because it is not too much optimized for the Windows. And if you have a high specs PC, then I will recommend this. After coming to the software, we just have to come to the settings. Thereafter, we can find these options: the video option, the audio option, and the output section. Now we will first start from the video section. Thereafter you just have to click to the base canvas and click to the custom, because if you don't click to the custom, then it will record only your native resolution. Like if I have a FHD panel, then it will only able to record the screen in FHD. Thereafter you just have to click to custom. Thereafter we can find the custom base resolution. Now just you have to write the 4K. Here again 4K, then done. Here if you want the higher FPS, then you have to click there and you have to select the 120 FPS or 60 FPS, 90 FPS as you want. I generally use this software to get the 120 FPS. Okay, now come to the output section. There we can find the streaming option. You don't have to use this option because this is only when you are going to live. Thereafter we can find the recording option. This is the main. Here you can find the location where you have to save your file. You just have to make to the large file size because it is the best one that will provide the highest quality possible by the software. Thereafter the format, please select the MOV format because it is the best efficient way to recording your screen in the highest quality. Now it was for the Streamlabs, but what about the OBS? I personally use the OBS and the Streamlabs also. Now what about the OBS Studio? OBS Studio is the best screen recorder that is optimized for the Windows. If you have a low specs PC, then still it will run. Here I am recording this screen from my OBS Studio. Here you can see that it's my recording. And now I will come to the settings. Now we just have to click to the file, then settings, then done. Now we just have to come to the output section because it is the main section that we have to use. The video bitrate I uses 18,000 kbps and it depends again your hardware. And now we just have to click to the video because here we can find the best thing, because here we can find a resolution, base resolution. I am using 4K, output resolution again 4K, and the FPS 60 FPS. It don't support more than 60 FPS. Now if I talk about the conclusion, then the conclusion is that if you have a best CPU and GPU, then go with the Streamlabs because it provides the seamless best video quality. And if you have a low specs PC, then might be you will go with the OBS. Now we made another video. Till that, what you have to do, you just have to subscribe to the Zebra Tech and share the channel, like the video.